Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2014 64 plate Audi A1 Style Edition S-Line. This is a 1.4 TFSI powered by the manual gearbox. Lovely car, finished in abyss white. Being the Style Edition, we've got the gloss black roof, we've got the gloss black mirror caps, centre grille, we've got privacy glass, we're riding on larger alloy wheels, nice LED daytime running lights, we've got headlamp wash. The styling on this car looks absolutely fantastic. I've driven the car myself, it drives very well, nice through the gears. Being the 1.4, it is a nippy engine, so it's very responsive. Now, unfortunately the car does have a slight history, so at 8 months old, the vehicle was in an accident and is now a Category C insurance loss. Now, the good thing is the vehicle was professionally repaired to a high standard. It's been driven ever since and has been driven faultlessly. So we can tell the car's had a bit of damage to the near side front. Now, the car's been driving very well. Obviously, when you think of an insurance category loss vehicle, you think 5 owners repaired by a backstreet garage. I can tell you that this is not the case. This vehicle drives spot on, it looks the part, and if you're looking at these vehicles you'll see that this is a massive saving on this particular car. If this was a non-category vehicle, this would be 13 grand on sale. But the car itself, it looks lovely. So we've got LED daytime running lights, we've got headlamp wash, we've got lower fog lamps. We're riding on 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with the Daytona grey detailing in the centres, diamond turned outer edge. The previous owner obviously has looked after the car in their ownership. They've put Team Heco wind deflectors on there. We've got privacy glass. Looking down the side of the car, no signs of any sort of dents or dings. We've got rear parking sensors, again nice lower diffuser. Looking through to the boot, parcel shelf is present. We've got split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Down here you'll find your lock, your wheel nut, your batteries in there, all tyre inflation kit. Looking down the passenger side, that's all in very nice order as well. Now, we believe the damage has happened on the near side front. S-Line badging, gloss black detailing all throughout. Inside then you get a half leather and cloth sports interior. So we've got the leather on the bolsters, cloth in the centres. The vehicle's not been smoked in. Coming through to the rear, those seats look like they've barely been sat in there in very nice order. Then jumping inside, as I mentioned, we've got some fantastic packages on this car. So we've got automatic lights, a leather multifunction steering wheel, you've got your speed limiter there as well, 4 electric windows with the child lock, heated mirrors. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 60,016 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the centre display, we've got satellite navigation, which is a factory option. You can adjust the bass, the treble, the fader of your speakers. You've got your FM radio there. Car information, so servicing and checks. Media, so you can change the source. That's SD, AMI, which is your Audi Multi Media interface. Bluetooth phone and your CD player. Phone's very easy to connect. And then your main menu is there. We've got climate control with air conditioning, traction control, 6-speed manual transmission, auto dimming rear view mirror, voice command on the steering wheel. Obviously on there you've got your efficiency programs, your dynamic, your miles per hour all's on there as well. Child lock for the windows. But a lovely car inside. It's not been smoked in. Steering wheel's in nice order. But a nice car. So if you'd like any further information on the vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily book you in. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.